Hi guys, and welcome back to episode 11 of the Azure Files. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for keeping all those questions coming in. They really have been great. And once again, we are still here.
Which is a bit, well, every now and then we visit a couple of data centers, but yeah, we're still here.
Yeah, I see you've got the flash shirts.
So after that little episode that you forced me, I'm positively charged.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
It was an electrifying experience.
Okay, wow.
And dude, you do that again and I'm bolting out of here.
Okay, enough. That's enough. I think let's just get straight into the question of the week. Enough with the dad jokes.
All right, so we have Brett in Dunkeld, who says he's a publisher of a big technology news site.
Oh, wow.
I wonder if it's the same guy who mailed us about the Cortana t-shirt that he wanted.
Brett Cortana sounds familiar.
Maybe.
We'll have to have a look.
Maybe. He's considering the cloud, but doesn't want all of the hassle of spinning up servers from scratch. He hears that Azure is great, which is good, for WordPress. What is your favorite WordPress workload to run, if we've done any?
Okay, well this is quite an interesting and relevant topic for us at the moment, because we started the deployment of our new Tarsus OnDemand website.
Oh yes, we are using this WordPress.
And for that, what we did was we deployed a Bitnami WordPress instance straight out of the Microsoft Azure marketplace, which is already directly available to anybody inside the Microsoft Azure portal.
Okay, that sounds like one of those Japanese fighting bots.
It does. It's quite a cool name. It's like very wow, you know.
I think so.
Quite a cool name. But yeah, apart from that, what we saw about it is that you got two types of instances that you can deploy, because they are actually images that are owned by Bitnami themselves.
Okay.
And you could get the single site one and the multi-site one, and we deployed both as tests. And the multi-site one works really well because it actually deploys the database for you and does all of that kind of stuff. And to get rid of the fact of like building servers from scratch, what we did was we literally deployed it, and the dev team and the content team could literally start using everything from WordPress up. They didn't have to worry about patching, they didn't have to worry about any of the other stuff that we did.
I think if I remember correctly, you deployed it within under 10 minutes.
I deployed it with under 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's really super fast WordPress instant in the cloud. I see that a lot of other people that have sort of looked at it have been amazed by the speed at what it performs at. And what's cool about it is that it's also free. So you could literally just pay for the resource utilization on that, and you wouldn't actually have to pay for WordPress.
And the patching, from what I understand, is Bitnami does it on their site
before
they bring it into the Azure.
Yeah.
So it's fully tested, and yeah.
Which is a major benefit. You know, I think when you are running businesses like Brett is, one of the things you need to be aware of is stability of your platform. So you always need to make sure you've got a stable platform to work off. You always need to make sure that all your content and everything's going to be secure, and that's another benefit that I just actually remember now about Bitnami, is that they are probably one of the most secure images to use. And Microsoft Azure, they warn us when deploying most Linux workloads inside the cloud, that it's not good to use the default username and password that they generate for you. And the reason being is because malware people out there would go and embed malicious content into those images, and the minute you deploy those servers and it's up and running for a week, then it might only hit you, and then it's actually got all the content that you've now put into that server. So I think from a security,
routine your
yeah,
site.
I think from a security perspective, Bitnami is one of the safest things to use. So like I said, we've used it, we've deployed it. Our dev guys love it. They are busy working on it as we speak, and it's really performing well. So to answer Brett's question, Bitnami all the way.
And guys, in a couple of weeks, our new website for Tarsus OnDemand is going out. Please have a look at it. Now, normally we end on the Geek Effect of the week, and for those guys who are familiar with WordPress, I'm sure you've heard the term LAMP.
Yeah.
Okay. Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP.
Yes.
Okay. I'll just sum that up as WordPress.
So that's what, if anyone didn't really know what LAMP meant, because I mean, if you log into Azure, you can actually see LAMP instances.
Okay.
Like, what is this? But yeah, I suppose now everyone knows.
Well, guys, that was the show. No shocking events. I had to throw that in. We hope you've enjoyed the show. Please send us your requests like Brett. Brett, if you haven't received your Cortana t-shirt just yet, we have a lady called Sharon. She'll be able to sort you out on that one.
I think you're going to have to wear that Walking Dead shirt for good now.
Yeah, I can see that.
She didn't want names mentioned. And yeah, I think what next week is our season finale.
That's it.
So,
and we've got a good giveaway coming up, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, stay tuned for that. So thank you so much, guys. It's been great, and thank you for all the questions. I hope that we can get through all of them, and please keep them coming in. And once again, please do not forget to subscribe.